Need a loan? Instantly. Don't look around. Simply remove your phone from your pocket. Download Indiabulls Dhani app. Come on, download it. Enter your mobile number. Now enter the OTP which you've received on your mobile. And there you go. Your mobile number is verified. If you don't receive an OTP, please click on the Resend OTP link. If you face any difficulties at the OTP stage or at any other stage, just click on this call icon and get connected with Indiabulls customer care executives, or you can also choose the call back option. Now fill in your loan amount and your Aadhaar number. Enter the OTP that you've received on your Aadhaar registered mobile number to verify your Aadhaar number. If your mobile number is not linked with your Aadhaar, don't worry. Just click on the mobile number not registered link and fill in your personal details in the next step. Recheck all your personal details once. If your current address and your Aadhaar registered address are not the same, then click here and fill in your current address details. And Dhani is eligible for Dhani loan. If Indiabulls Dhani does not have your credit history details, then you will have to verify your income on Dhani's safe and secure platform. This will allow Indiabulls Dhani systems to only read your bank statements. And your loan is sanctioned. Simple. Check the loan amount, tenure, starting date of EMIs, interest rate, processing fees along with other details before moving ahead. Remember, if you get stuck at any stage, then you can click on this call icon to connect to Indiabulls Dhani customer care executives, or you can choose the callback option. Now before your loan amount gets transferred, say cheese and take a selfie. Seriously? Your loan documents are now ready. Click on the View button to check them. You will also receive all the loan-related documents such as loan terms, loan agreement, repayment schedule on your registered email ID. Accept it and move on to Online Sign. Online Sign is very easy. Just enter the OTP that you received on the mobile number registered with your Aadhaar, and it's done. One last step. Register the bank in which you want to receive your loan amount with Indiabulls Dhani. Please keep in mind that your EMI will get deducted from this bank account. To enable auto debit of your EMI, please transact between Rupee 1 to Rs 5 from your net banking account with Indiabulls Dhani. If your bank's name does not feature in the given bank list, then you will have to fill an offline form for auto mandate. Don't worry, Indiabulls Dhani's call center executives will contact you for this. Congratulations! Loan amount has been transferred to your account. After loan disbursal, Dhani app can also be used to manage your loan account. With this app, you will be able to see your loan repayment schedule, raise a service request, edit your personal details, and even make payments. In this process, if you face any issues such as Aadhaar not connecting, or you not receiving an OTP, or you being unable to e-sign, just click on the call icon to talk to Indiabulls Dhani's customer care executives, or you can choose the callback option. Wasn't it simple? Now you can fulfill all your dreams with Dhani. For the first time, India will get loaned from phone with Indiabulls Dhani app, and that too in your bank account instantly. What are you waiting for? Download Dhani app now.